Day 2 of surf fishing until I catch illegal halibut. Welcome back, guys. We're starting out by checking out the forecast. We parked right about 30th Street, so we're checking the 40th Street forecast. Sorry, I forgot to take a screenshot, so we're looking at what we got on the phone to the best of our ability. The surf looked great. Conditions were way better than the first time I went out. I think I'm understanding what the numbers mean. So we're giving it a shot. We're going out. Again, I'm struggling to find the structure. I know what I'm supposed to be looking for, and I feel like I'm just not finding it, or maybe it's just more subtle here on these beaches. So we start casting. This time around, we're using a Kitech 3.8 inch swim bait, I believe, on a Warbait's neck breaker. I think this size is the 3/0 hook with the 1/4 ounce. Wait, you'll see me kind of walking and looking. I'm trying to figure out like where the fish are, right? Because I'm throwing out, not really getting anything. This is the only bait that I tried this morning, and we're not getting anything. Again, just watching, trying to figure out where the hole is at. I'm trying to find that structure, guys, and I feel like that's my biggest struggle. Bait-wise, I know this should work. I've seen it. Benji Kim, he's a legend on YouTube. I see him throwing out white baits all the time. He's a big fan of the Lucky Craft Flash Minnow 110, even throwing out the 130 sometimes. I've gone to the tackle shop and they recommend this. I believe halibut like white things, so that's why we're throwing this out. But still no luck. And this is the only thing we tried this morning. You'll see we get a few more casts in before the beach changes. I actually had a Mother Nature's emergency, so I had to hustle back to the Newport Beach pier so that I could use the facilities. Anyways, you see these dead fish on the ground? I'm pretty sure these are grunion. I never really fact-checked that, but I know grunion are supposed to be running about this time at night. I'm assuming those were grunion. You'll see I retied this. The first time throwing it out back north on the beach, I was using a swivel, and it just felt like it was catching more grass than was necessary. So I give this a tie, cut the tail end off, and I go to throw it out, and it comes off, and I feel like I lose it right behind me. I'm searching for a while. Eventually I find it in front of me. Thankfully I saved 10 bucks right there, but I tie it back on, make sure the knot's good, keep on casting. We just don't catch anything. So after 22 casts, we call it a day, head back to the truck. But I want to know from you guys, if you see something in the surf, in any of this footage, drop a comment, show me where you're looking and what you see, and help a brother out. I appreciate it. And we take a look at our tackle, thinking maybe next time we throw out a Lucky Craft. We haven't tried that yet. We got 2 Lucky Crafts to try, one with the silver sparkles on the side and one without, but they both have the pink stripe on the bottom, which is supposed to be a halibut magnet, but we'll see what happens next time. With all that said, thanks for watching. We'll see you then.